हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू रीना अकेडमिया। होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग गुड। तो आज का हमारा ये सेशन टॉप 70 वीकली एमसीक्यू रहेंगे, जो कि आपके एग्जाम के लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट रहेंगे। मैंने इस वीडियो में सारे क्वेश्चन कवर किए हैं। वीकली 25 से 31 मई में जितने क्वेश्चन बन सकते थे वो मैंने सारे कवर अप किए हैं। और अगर आपको इस तरह के सेशंस देखने हैं तो आप इस चैनल पे जाके करंट अफेयर 2025 की प्लेलिस्ट में जाके बाकी सेशन भी देख सकते हैं। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का पहला क्वेश्चन। विच स्टेट इज द थर्ड टू अप्रूव ए स्पेस इंडस्ट्रियल पॉलिसी फॉलोइंग कर्नाटका एंड गुजरात? द करेक्ट आंसर इज तमिलनाडु। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। द Minuteman III intercontinental ballistic missile was developed by which country? The correct answer is United States of America. Next question. Which country is the host of 46th Association of Southeast Asian Nations Summit 2025? The correct answer is Malaysia. Next question. Bharat Forecast System is developed by which institute? The correct answer is Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, Pune. Next question. Scientists recently discovered a new species of dam selfly called Califia seniofruta in which state? The correct answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Next question. Kaluya volcano that was recently seen in news is located in which country? The correct answer is United States of America. Next question. What type of naval vessel is INS Brahmaputra that was recently seen in news? The correct answer is guided missile frigate. Next question. What is the theme of 9th Indian Mobile Congress 2025? The correct answer is innovate to transform. Next question. The Inspire scheme is a flagship initiative of which organization? The correct answer is Department of Science and Technology. Next question. Kalodo National Park that was recently seen in news is located in which state? The correct answer is Rajasthan. Next question. Globally important agricultural heritage system was launched by which organization? The correct answer is Food and Agriculture Organization. Next question. What is the name of scheme launched by government for providing equity support to MSME in India? The correct answer is SRI Fund Scheme. Next question. Where was the Rising Northeast Investor Summit 2025 inaugurated? The correct answer is New Delhi. Next question. Nagarhole Tiger Reserve recently seen in news is located in which state? The correct answer is Karnataka. Next question. Which state of India inaugurated the India First Mahoot village in Mundumalai Tiger Reserve? The correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Next question. Which state of India launches first Vista Dome Jungle Safari train in May 2025? The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Nico Sardane has been appointed as the president of which country? The correct answer is Romania. Next question. Which country has become official member of New Development Bank? The correct answer is Algeria. Next question. Who recently released a memorial named The Diary of a Cricketer Wife? The correct answer is Pooja Pujara. Next question. Who has been appointed as the president of Supreme Court Bar Association? The correct answer is Vikas Singh. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new test captain of Indian cricket team by BCCI? The correct answer is Shubman Gill. Next question. How many gallantry awards were conferred by Draupadi Murmu in May 2025? The correct answer is 39. Next question. Which state topped the medal tally of inaugural Khelo India Beach Game 2025? The correct answer is Manipur. Next question. Which initiative has been launched to enhance global oceanic security and cooperation? The correct answer is Mahasagar Initiative. Next question. Which country has become the fourth largest economy in the world in May 2025? The correct answer is India. Next question. Who won the Palme d'Or at the 78th Cannes Film Festival in May 2025? The correct answer is Jafar Panahi. Next question. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi dedicated the country's first 9,000 horsepower electric locomotive plant of Indian Railway in which state? The correct answer is Gujarat. Next question. Which organization has recently the first state of World Animal Health Report in May 2025? The correct answer is World Organization for Animal Health. Next question. Wings India 2026 event for India civil aviation sector is said to be held in which city? The correct answer is Telangana. Next question. Which state has become the 24th state UT to achieve 100% rail electrification? The correct answer is Gujarat. Next question. The world highest resolution weather forecasting system was launched in which country? The correct answer is India. Next question. The Election Commission of India has reduced the maximum number of voters at a polling station to. The correct answer is 1200. Next question. Rahavir scheme has launched by which state to help road accident victims? The correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Next question. Ninth BRICS Industry Minister meeting was held in which country in May 2025? The correct answer is Brazil. Next question. Who has been named as the ambassador for FIBA Women Asia Cup 2025? The correct answer is Mayo Lilji. Next question. Which is the first district in India to meet its energy demand from solar energy? The correct answer is Diu. Next question. Sikkim at the rate 50 where progress meet purpose and nature nurture growth event was virtually addressed by whom? The correct answer is Narendra Modi. Next question. Who will represent India at the 20th Shangri-La Dialogue or Asian Security Summit which is to be held in Singapore? The correct answer is Anil Chauhan. Next question. Which state UT hosts the Asian Weightlifting Championship 2026? The correct answer is Gujarat. Next question. Which city has become the fourth capital city in the northern eastern region to be connected to the railway network? The correct answer is Aizawl. Next question. Who became the first Indian origin museum to win an American Music Award? The correct answer is Raja Kumari. Next question. Project Kusha has been started under which organization with the aim of strengthening India air security? The correct answer is DRDO. Next question. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Eureka Forbes? The correct answer is Shraddha Kapoor. Next question. International Day of United Nations Peacekeeper 2025 is celebrated on which date? The correct answer is 29th of May. Next question. What is the name of next generation two-seater electric trainer aircraft being developed in India? The correct answer is E-Hansa. Next question. What is the theme of 9th Indian Mobile Congress 2025? The correct answer is Innovate to Transform. Next question. National Apprentice Promotion Scheme is an initiative of which ministry? The correct answer is Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Next question. Kilayu volcano recently seen in news is located in which country? The correct answer is United States of America. Next question. Who has been appointed as new director of Marine Product Export Development Authority? The correct answer is Ram Mohan MK. Next question. Where was Quantum Technology Research Center inaugurated by DRDO on May 2025? The correct answer is New Delhi. Next question. Recently, who got 1 year extension as chairman of DRDO? The correct answer is Dr. Samir V. Kamath. Next question. Who has been appointed as ambassador of Karnataka Forest Department? The correct answer is Anil Kumble. Next question. World Hunger Day 2025 is celebrated on which date? The correct answer is 28th of May. Next question. Who has been appointed as brand ambassador of Audi India? The correct answer is Neeraj Chopra. Next question. Indian Army inaugurated first community radio station Panchshul Pulse in which state? The correct answer is Uttarakhand. Next question. What is the name of campaign launched to empower farmers by accelerating agriculture transformation in India? The correct answer is Viksit Krishi Sankalp Abhiyan. Next question. World No Tobacco Day is observed every year on which day? The correct answer is 31st of May. Next question. Which ministry has launched Swachh Sarvekshan Gramin 2025, India's largest rural sanitation survey? The correct answer is Ministry of Jal Shakti. Next question. Who has become the youngest Indian to complete the 7 Summit Challenge? The correct answer is Vishwanath Karthike Pandakanti. Next question. Where were the 600 million year old saprometolites recently discovered? The correct answer is Chambhagat, Himachal Pradesh. Next question. Recently, Union Minister Rajnath Singh gave status of Mini Rath status to 3 DPSU. What is the name of these DPSUs? The correct answer is all of these. Next question. Which ministry has launched Know Your DG PIN and Know Your PIN code web platform? The correct answer is Department of Postas. Next question. Recently, which Indian force has launched Meghdut Millennium Postal Software for defense personnel? The correct answer is Indian Army. Next question. India first artificial intelligence centric special economic zone to be set up in which state? The correct answer is Chhattisgarh. Next question. Exercise Nomadic NFL is recently held between India and which country? The correct answer is Mongolia. Next question. Who received the Global Indian of Year Award from Canada India Foundation? The correct answer is Sadhguru. Next question. Who has been appointed as new ambassador of Oakley? The correct answer is Shubman Gill. Next question. Which state tourism department will launch a Bodhi Yatra from 2 to 7 June 2025, which will take tourists to the site associated with Lord Buddha? The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Who has been appointed as new brand ambassador of Vogue eyewear? The correct answer is Shahid Kapoor. Next question. Which state has launched Ankur to make city future ready? The correct answer is Odisha. And if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.